How to delete a post from Instagram. A friend of mine asked if I knew how to delete a post from their Instagram account. This question has been popping up often in recent weeks. I will be showing you how to do this on my iPhone 12. First, we want to find your Instagram app on your mobile device and tap it. Once in your app, you will need to find the post you wish to delete. The easiest way to do this is by heading to the bottom of the screen and tapping the profile image link. This is located at the bottom right and will take you to your account screen. Tap it. On the profile screen, you will see all the posts you have created. Now scroll down until you find that one unwanted post that needs to be removed. Tap it. Once the post opens up, look to the top right of that post. You should see 3 vertical dots. Tap them. Side note, they do give the option to archive your post. You would be the only one to see it from now on. That is the third one down on the menu. We want to delete the post. Here is where the deed can be done. In this menu, you will see the delete option. Tap it. A warning window will appear after tapping the delete option. From here, all you need to do is tap delete again. Tap delete. Done. That is how easy it is to delete a post from your Instagram account. Some of you might be using Instagram on your PC or laptop. As of right now, there is no way to delete a post from the Instagram website. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.